If you've been relying on cupping, massage, or typical chiropractic care to fix your lower back and it isn't working long term, well, here's exactly why. Low back pain is a movement-based problem, and no passive therapy can fix a movement-based problem. Only movement can. And I'm going to show you the key movements that your lower back is missing, which is stopping you from returning to a pain-free life so you can finally unlock the freedom you've been after. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, founder of Rehab Fix. We've helped thousands with low back pain, disc herniations, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to teach you why most passive therapies keep you stuck, and then show you 2 exercises that can restore all the movement you need in your lower back to fix it for good. So let me ask you something. How many times have you scheduled a cupping session, massage, or received chiropractic adjustments to walk out feeling great, and then 2 to 3 days later, all the pain returns? That cycle is not a coincidence. It's not because these passive therapies are bad. Cupping increases blood flow, massage releases muscle tension and is good relaxation for many people. Chiropractic adjustments restore joint mobility. These are all real benefits. But here's the problem. None of them fix the movement pattern that created the pain in the first place. The moment you go back to sitting at your desk or driving in your car or going through your day with the same restricted movements, going back to exercise with the wrong form and wrong movement patterns, the pain returns every single time. Think of it this way. If you kept cutting your hand on the corner of a sharp desk, you wouldn't just keep putting Band-Aids on it over and over and over, right? You'd move the desk. Well, the passive therapy is the Band-Aid. Fixing your movement is moving the desk. Now, what movement has your back actually lost that's keeping you stuck in this position? Well, there's 2 main things. You've lost extension from sitting all day at work, sitting in the car, sitting while you eat, sitting while you watch movies, and rotation, a primary spine movement that the vast majority of the population no longer trains, no longer experiences throughout a daily basis. You never rotate anymore. But it's a key movement of your spine. So when these 2 motions are gone, your spine compensates like crazy. It loads unevenly, you develop restrictions, and pain follows. So here's exactly how we're going to restore it today with a mobility and strengthening exercise. First is our elbow windshield wiper. All you're gonna do is lay flat on the floor, prop up on your elbows like you're watching TV or reading a book, so your lower back is now in extension. Now bring your knees together, bend your knees so your feet are towards the ceiling. Keep your feet together, and now rotate your knees and feet together directly to the side, straight to the side. So your hips are rotating, your lower back is rotating. Rotate back and forth. That's what we call it, the windshield wiper. This is accomplishing 2 things at once: extension in your lower back and rotation through your lower back, accomplishing the exact 2 main things that you are not getting enough of throughout the day. That is keeping you locked. This is a super simple and easy way to restore this. And you can do this while you're watching TV. You can do this while you're working. Start working more on your stomach. Start doing more things throughout the day. You get home, text on your stomach, text while you're doing this, or plan on your phone, whatever. Just go to the point of pain or to the point of tolerance. If you can't go all the way over like I am, that's completely fine. Just go as far as you can, slowly building into this and slowly going further and further over time. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. Now, this will help us start to get that mobility back in our spine. But what's one of the best ways to strengthen it and lock it in too? We don't want to miss that component. Otherwise, we still might stay in a pain cycle. One awesome strengthening movement to help restore this is the kneeling windshield wiper. You're going to get in a lunge position, grab a weight, and hold it in the same side arm of the forward leg. Press it overhead, look straight up at it, and now rotate the other arm down towards the floor to become in line with that forward leg. So you're keeping the weight towards the ceiling and you're bending forward and rotating. So you're hinging forward with rotation through your spine. Slowly do this with control, come back up, and perform for multiple repetitions. This is doing a lot. This is strengthening your spine through movement. This is training your QL, your quadratus lumborum muscle, which is a primary spine stabilizer. This is also strengthening your hip, your external rotators, so your glute med, your piriformis, your glutes, all these things on the outer hip that you're driving through. This looks like a simple movement on the outside, but it's just a movement that nobody actually trains. And it can be so effective for building a strong and mobile lower back. These two exercises together will absolutely begin restoring your mobility and strength and reducing your pain. A lot of our clients feel a real difference after implementing these and noticing that they don't have to go book another appointment after they begin implementing these into their routine. But here's also what you need to understand. These two exercises are not a complete plan and aren't specific to you. There are multiple reasons for your pain and what could be specifically causing it. And yes, these two motions will restore a ton of the restrictions that people need to resolve. But if you have a specific disc issue, nerve issue, other movement restriction, you might need additional movements to go with this, or specific modifications for this, or a pre-plan to build up to these. You can't expect two movements to do all the work. It's not a customized plan for you. And if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're trying to figure out the right exercises that you should be doing and how often you should be doing them, and the next ones you should do to keep progressing so you can stop sliding back. So if you want to know the exact movements that you should be doing for your lower back or sciatica pain, how to do them, when to do them, and when to progress and regress, I have something that you need to try. And you can get a free demo for this, and I'll tell you exactly how. It's called the Centralization Process. It's what we developed after helping over 2,000 people fully recover from lower back and disc and sciatica pain when all else failed, when they were told surgery would be the only thing. And this has helped our clients on average achieve 37% reduction in their pain, and others completely eliminate their pain within as little as 15 days. So if you'd like to dive deeper with me and actually get a structured plan to healing, just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509 to get a free demo with my team to learn how you can get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues following our centralization process. Text me right now so you don't miss this opportunity to finally fix your back and live the life that you deserve. And after you text me, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and insights into my life and what I'm doing to keep myself bulletproof and our clients as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in our program real soon.